The excitement of paddling out into clear coastal water and surfing the first waves of the day. The delicious taste of a fresh local catch at a seaside restaurant. The breathtaking view of a late summer sunset from the beach. For Southern Californians, coastal waters are a central part of our livelihoods, in some obvious and some not so obvious ways. But our beloved coastal waters now face a multitude of threats, which is why citizen science initiatives such as the Smartfin Project and conservation advocacy groups including the Surfrider Foundation are fighting to better our nearshore waters. Nearshore waters are vital to so many aspects of human life. People rely on these areas for food, recreation and protection from dangerous storms. More than 1/3 of the world population lives within 60 miles of an oceanic coast. Plus, coastal waters are home to a large number of fish species, half of the world's coral reefs and a variety of habitats that promote biodiversity. Unfortunately, climate change is threatening these unique, dynamic, lively ecosystems in myriad ways. Warming waters are leading to the proliferation of toxic algae species that can contaminate drinking water. Rising sea levels are threatening coastal wetlands and their inhabitants. Ocean acidification is making it harder for marine animals to build and maintain shells and skeletons. And the list goes on. Regularly collecting data from nearshore zones can be a challenge for scientists. While satellite data is useful for investigating the deep ocean, it fails to capture accurate data about the dynamic coastline. Other potential tools are often expensive, inconvenient and not durable enough to withstand waves and other coastal conditions. What's more, conditions in nearshore zones can change over very small distances, so in order to obtain comprehensive data, scientists need sensors in a multitude of locations. For example, some coastal coral reefs have become bleached while nearby coral has not, likely due to the localized differences in water conditions in nearshore zones. Scientists have a hard time quantifying these subtle differences due to the challenges of data collection. But what if a day spent surfing could also be a day spent helping scientists? Neurologist Andrew Stern and sculptor Todd McGrain came up with a clever citizen science initiative to do exactly this. The Smartfin Project aims to engage the surfing community in collecting data. The Smartfin is a surfboard fin attachment that has a sensor inside which can collect specific GPS, temperature and motion data, then automatically upload it to a shared cloud for others to access. In the future, the team hopes to add sensors for water quality measurements such as pH, salinity, dissolved oxygen and turbidity. In partnership with the Scripps Institution of Oceanography, Smartfin will make this data available for scientists all over the world to analyze.